Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Citroen Berlingo here on a 2011-2012 plate. I've just done a fuse on this for the screen wash, so if you do want to look at that as well, that'll be up at the end of the video or in the description as well, or in between the video there'll be a link for it, so you can check that out. And also I'm going to be doing a stop lamp on this rear position lamp, stop lamp, so I'm going to be removing the rear tail light. So if that video is going to help you, do watch that as well if you've got this car. Now the main thing what we're doing on this is the main dip bulb, which is this one here that's not working. It's a H4 bulb that can be found in the description, and again it's a very easy job. You've got enough room to put working as well. All you need is a mirror. I won't need a mirror here in this case because I've been doing a lot of these, but you might need a mirror just because of the spring on the top. You've got to push in and then push it towards sort of kind of left and pull it at the same time. So I'll just show you how it's done. Let's do this. That's the H4 bulb. Get that bulb ready. Brilliant. Right, this is the cover we need to remove. So if I remove this cover, right, on the inside there, that's a 3-pin plug, and on the top there, there's a spring. So you've got to push the spring in, pull it this way, and then towards you. Towards the back, sorry. So with the plug, they usually do get really tight. So you just got to wiggle, and then pull it at the same time. That's it, that's out. So move this plug to the side. And then you got, let's just see the spring. That's it, that's the bit right there. So you got to push that in this way and then pull it out towards you. And then just remember how the bulb is sitting as well. So the 3-pin bulb, you got the 2-pin locators on the bottom and then one on the top. So this is exactly how you're gonna put it in. So push the spring out to the side, get the bulb out to the side as well. So now you can see now. So that's the bulb basically we're replacing. Oops, sorry. I gotta get this out. Got a new one already. Like I said, it's a H4 bulb. Link for this would be in the description as well, so if you did want one. Now these are the locators. So one there, one goes on the bottom, one goes on that side, and the top one goes on the top. So if I slot the bulb in, make sure the bulb sits in straight. Like you can see now, that's nice and straight. Bring the spring forward. Push the spring in and to my left, to my right, sorry. That's it, that's in. I then put the plug back together, push the plug in. Brilliant. I'll put the cover on, and we're just going to see if the lights are working now. As you can see now, that there is working. The lights off. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Citroen as well, so do check that. And there's a playlist for bulbs. If there's anything else you need to know about this car, just go on there. You might find a video which maybe relates to your car or anything. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.